Airline Insurance Quiz 1. Topic for undergraduates of aviation management of various universities. Which one of the following does not belong to the major insurance private sector companies in India? It's Oriental Insurance Company. Determining the premium required accurately applies principle derived from the law of average and the theory of probability. Rate making is the process of establishing rates for each class of insurance. As a part of the claim service, some insurance have set up a special investigation unit that is called as SIUs. Their responsibilities are investigating suspicious claim involving fraud and insurance crime. The overall objective of an insurance company is to make profits. The request for insurance is an application. At least that's the right procedure when you apply through application. Which of the following is not part of insurance agreement of a policy? That is a premium. If a policy is subjected to 80% concurrence clause, which amounts to insurance is necessary to provide full coverage in case of loss, total loss of a building value of $100,000, the claim would be about full claim means total amount. Which of these statements are false? Temporary insurance is limited to a fixed term. Which of the following statement is true? Non-disclosure may be a valid reason for avoiding a policy. Which of these statements is false? If an insurance issues a policy that differs from the application, the policy is null and void. Very large risks are often insured by means of subscription policy. Utmost good faith is a superior standard of honesty. Temporary insurance must be cancelled in the same way a policy of similar type would be cancelled. Accident benefits do not pay any expense arising out of an auto accident for a vehicle damage. After being involved in an accident where injuries occur, comply all requirements found in the policy. The proof of loss is details a loss and resulting claim. A salvage is dash belongs to insurer when the claim has been paid and nothing can be charged at. Disposition can be negotiated between the insured and the insurer. That is the remainings of the crash site or the aircraft. When an insured vehicle is damaged in an accident, the insurer must do certain things. One of this, as far as possible, he should try to protect the vehicle from further damage. In aviation, business arrangement where two or more airlines share the same flight is termed as a code-sharing agreement. The subject matter of insurance and concern those facts which can be ascertained by inspection of the risk is the physical hazard. When government body regulates the industry, that's the insurance industry, it's by the IRDAI. In case of marine insurance, which one is given representing the body of the ship, that is hull. When an agent collects the premium from the policyholder and remits it to the insurance office, he is acting as a agent of an insurance company. Which one of the following rates are used by an accuracy to determine the premium to be charged to the customer for the likelihood of getting a disease? That is called morbidity rates. Which one of the following is not the following of the aviation insurance agreement of a policy. That's your premium. When a loss occurs, that is, any person to whom any part of the insurance money is payable may give notice. The following damage is included under all perils coverage, that is vandalism of a vehicle. Which one of the following is not covered under the insurance specific perils of the section is the collision with a tree. Tortfeasor is a wrongdoer. A deductible usually applies to the stone damage of a windshield. The owner's policy or insurance coverage of a specific automobile is a primary coverage. This statement is false. No coverage applies to temporary substitute vehicle. In the provision with compulsory automobile plans, no policy is issued. Proof of insurance is a vehicle owner where registration, certificate and license are mandatory. Notice of loss cannot be given to the employer without insured. Curious means accidental. Which one is not following through with regard to the policy? It does not expire because every policy expires at a particular time. What is risk? It's a chance of loss. Who is not a legal party to the policy? That's the third party. The main function of insurance is to spread the loss of many amongst the few. A peril is an event which occurs a loss to occur. Rate is the price of a unit of an insurance. Which of the following is not a way to spread risk, declining as many risks as possible? Intermediaries are the physical link between the insured and the insurer. Who owns a stock company is called a shareholder. Another name for the insurer is a carrier. Direct writing insurers do not use brokers. They deal directly with the airlines. The CEO is responsible for the operations of the company. He is the chief executive officer. Which is the most common cause of fatalities as a result in aircraft incidents? Accidents taking place during takeoff or landing are of very high chances. Where an air transport pilot is over the age of 40 with the minimum frequency must he undergo a medical examination, that is every 6 months after the age of 40.